Hello guys, so this is the second part of the vintage clothing and accessories business. Now let's move on. So here you can in this section you can delete this. You have to delete it and you can add another one. So here you can search and type for vintage clothing. For example, this. Of course you can add another one here, another small one, smaller or whatever you want. So that's it. Let's add another one. That's it. Also you can edit the background from here. Just a simple art like this. Also here you can add the background, just a simple art. Also here you can delete this and add another one. So type, you can describe more vintage clothing or accessories as you like. So now you can add the background. That's it. And the last here is the footer section. Also you can edit the background here, just a simple art. So now after you're done from designing your website, you can go to the site styles. For example, you can edit the colors, you can change the color palette if you want, and also you can edit the animations. You can set the styles here. So anything to attract people, you can do anything you might do to attract more people. So that's it. After you're done from here, you can just save this. Now you can exit from here. So let's go to the selling section. So here you can add your products. You can choose what you want to sell. Of course, physical products. So you can here enter the product name, clothes for example, and here you can add the image from the library. or from the browser. uh, Vintage clothing. That's it. Now let's continue. Here you can customize the price, and you can also customize the stock. You can turn this on unlimited stock. You can customize as you like the stock. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here you can add more details. So you can change the product name. You can add the description here. uh, so that's it. Additional information you can write here. So that's it. After this, you can add another image here if you want. Also here the inventory, you can change the price and turn this on sale. So the fulfillments and the organization, the visibility and the marketing, the checkout. So that's it. After you're done from here, you can just save this, and now you can add the way to get paid. And after this, you can choose the subscription plan, and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like. That's how to customize your website for vintage clothing and accessories business. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.